Okwetombitira polisi okunyaga bakafuna nkijaho bwanyuma y'omudumuzi wa polisi ahabwe cyangeki hamwe n'abebembezi b'ebitongore bikuguza abantu sente okutaha emiringo y'ibakubasa kukoraganiramu na polisi okwenagwe bihagaro nk'ebyokushanga bino obutikirizana nabe byokwerinda bitabaho,
especially microfinance, those who give loans and all that. So we are aiming at reducing cases of killings, heated argument between the security force officer and together with the banking institution. We have looked at this as the major problem. Our officers are given multiple loans.
Konga hano omusinga kimanyire kubinjo mu basirikare be nibashyikirira bakafuna bari kubendaho sente kandi obwire bwo kushashura bukihika batandika kubeshereka.
Ekapere hecho kurebwa umuri yahababiri tikagandra afane Patrick kijaka mukababo obumatu idesete zaje ukishika kuwa mweta ujotunga hatuza kubireba umukasheshe akasheshe kaba kasheshe bategereza uko umushahara ufite uko batashashura umushahara guwo umushahara kubukwezi kwa kabiri umweki mugambara ureba yarwumumbere sometimes umureka kugira ngo utsigasamagara.
If you see that a person has not paid for the last 4 months, interest and principal cap, stop the running of the interest, they will understand within the courts of law.
Konka yo polisi negera ngo bwiro bumwe bakafana barabero miringo etahikire okuguza abasirikare bayo sente ekiri kwija kikaguma polisi okubayamba.
These police officers are very wise. If he knows that he's honoring a matter which is civil in nature, he does not want, because you have the trust on him that he will help you, he does not want to show you that he will not help you, so he's indirectly dodging the case. Because should he follow it up, it will turn against him.
He knows, the police officer knows that even though you are giving me money, but you are not registered. These are things the police officers are taking. However much is dealing with you, he knows that you are illegally transacting the business. That's why you find yourself conflicting with this officer.
Gasha kwa Agacencwire.